Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about factoring polynomials with common monomial factor. Let's have an example. We have 3x plus 6x squared. So dito, gagamit ako ng table para mapakita sa inyo yung step by step na solution. So step 1 is to expand. That means yung 3x natin at 6x squared natin, i-expand natin. First, yung 3x. Pag in-expand natin, that is equal to 1 times 3 times x. So, mamaya, malalaman natin bakit ko nilagay pa rin yung 1 dito. Okay? Next, 6x squared is equal to 2 times 3. Yung x squared naman, x times x. After natin sila ma-expand, the next step is to get the GCMF or the greatest common monomial factor. Para makita natin yung greatest common monomial factor, tignan natin tong expanded form natin. In this case, makikita natin na parehas yung 3. Sulat natin dito yan. At isa pa, makikita natin meron tayong x. Sulat din natin dito. So, ibig sabihin, our GCMF is 3x. Again, yung GCMF natin, yun yung common factor ng 3x at 6x squared. After that, kukuhanin natin yung remaining factor. So, para makuha yung remaining factor, titignan natin ulit yung expanded form. So, sa 3x, meron pang 1. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Bakit ko sinulat pa rin yung 1? Para makita natin na ito yung remaining factor doon sa 3x. Then, para sa 6x squared naman, meron tayong 2 at x. So, we have plus 2x. Bakit plus 2x? Kasi yung operation na yan, kung titignan natin dito sa original given, addition din kasi. So, therefore, addition dapat yun nandyan. Okay? Makukuha na natin yung factored form. And our factored form is 3x times the quantity of 1 plus 2x. So again, yung 3x ay galing sa GCMF. Yung 1 plus 2x naman ay galing dito sa remaining factor. So ibig sabihin, para magkaroon tayo ng factored form, kukuhanin natin yung GCMF at remaining factor. Paano natin malalaman kung tama yung sagot natin? Let's do checking. So we have 3x times the quantity of 1 plus 2x. Dito, gagamit tayo ng distributive property. First, we have 3x times 1. 3x times 1 is equal to 3x. Next, 3x times 2x. So, ito yung sinasabi natin, number muna, tapos variable. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. Then, x times x, that is x squared. So, mapapansin natin, yung nakuha natin product ay parehas doon sa given natin. So, ibig sabihin, our factored form is correct. So, therefore, 3x plus 6x squared is equal to 3x times the quantity of 1 plus 2x. Number 2 example, 5x squared minus 10x plus 35. So, first step is to expand. Unahin natin yung 5x squared. So, in 5x squared, we have 1 times 5 times x times x. Next, yung 10x naman, we have 2 times 5 times x. Last, yung 35, that is 7 times 5. The next step is to get the GCMF. So, balikan natin yung expanded form. At dito, makikita natin na yung 5 pare-parehas. Kaya, ibig sabihin, sulat natin dito yung sa GCMF. So, mapapansin natin, merong dalawang x dito na magkaparehas. Kaya lang, yung 35 kasi, wala kasi siyang x. So, ibig sabihin, Hindi pwede yun. Therefore, our GCMF is 5. Next, let us get the remaining factor. Tignan muna natin yung 5x squared. Anong natira sa 5x squared? We have 1, x, and x. And that is 1x squared. So, yung x squared, galing dito sa x times x. Okay? Next, sa 10x naman, ano yung remaining factors? We have 2 and x. So, that is minus 2x. Minus 2x kasi from the given, we have minus. So, kaya dapat ang second term natin is minus. Now, in 35, so the remaining factor is 7. So, sulat natin dito plus 7. Plus, because the last term, addition ng operation. Okay? So, we have the remaining factor, 1x squared minus 2x plus 7. Or, x squared minus 2x plus 7. So, ibig sabihin, kahit hindi na natin isulat yung 1 dito, kasi meron naman tayong x squared. Okay? And for the factored form, kuhanin natin yung GCMF at remaining factor. So, we have 5 times the quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 7. And therefore, 5x squared minus 10x plus 35 is equal to 5 times the quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 7. So, in our today's discussion, ang bottom line dito is, kailangan makakuha tayo ng greatest common monomial factor at remaining factor. Dahil, ayun yung magiging factored form natin. Okay? So, hopefully, naintindihan natin kung paano yung factoring polynomials with common monomial factor. At kung meron kayong mga katanungan dyan, leave a comment in our comment section. So, see you on the next video. Thank you.